Hello friends, let's learn about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun is a word that replaces a noun and shows ownership. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs are words that are used to show ownership. The pen is mine. The car is yours. The dog is his. The teddy is hers. This class is ours. The house is theirs. Let us do an activity. Underline the possessive pronouns in these sentences. The dog is mine. The cat is yours. The ring is his. The bag is theirs. The books are yours and mine. The house is theirs. She has a new shoes. It is hers. Their mother gets along well with yours. Well done, kids. You did a great job. Thanks for watching. Please watch my other grammar video lessons. Bye.